2 weeks ago, I bought the very new ATEM Mini Extreme ISO switcher, and it's a beast of a switcher. I really like it. Also, why? Because you can stream directly to Facebook or to YouTube or wherever you like. Now, can you also do that without your computer on site? The answer to that question is yes, you can. However, you do need to prepare something before you can do that. And that's what we're going to talk about in today's episode of the ATEM Mini video series by Taekwondo. Welcome to Taekwondo. My name is Petra, and if you like this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified for future content. Also, please go ahead and put your comments into the commentary fields, because that can be inspirational for future content. So really do that. I love that. I love to know what you like to hear. Okay, what can you learn today? First and foremost, we're going to talk about which switchers do have the possibility to stream directly to Facebook or YouTube or whatever. We're also going to talk about how you can enable YouTube to get the stream from your ATEM Mini. And next to that, we're also going to show you how you can make sure that you can just switch off your ATEM Mini, just go to a location, switch it on and enter, and then directly go on air without any interference of a computer. So, are you ready? Okay, let's get started. First and foremost, let's go ahead and talk about which switchers do have the possibility to stream live to the internet. Well, these. So, with the exception of the ATEM Mini, which is the very first ATEM Mini with limited hardware, all of the other ones do have the possibility to stream directly to a social media platform. ATEM Mini by itself does not, but hey, 350 euros, come on. You cannot, it has to give somewhere, right? So that is the first thing. The second thing is, how do you make sure that your YouTube channel can actually receive the signal from your ATEM Mini? The vehicle to do that is what they call a stream key. It's like a postal code. It's like a password or postal code combination that allows YouTube to know, oh, this is okay, this is a valid connection. Yes, you may pass. So in order to do that, we need to first look at the ATEM Mini itself. So here you go. This is the ATEM Software Center. And here you'll find on the right-hand side a live stream setup tool. If you click on that, you'll see first and foremost the status. So it's off at the moment, so there's no stream going on at the moment. And you can here select which platform you want to go to. These are the possibilities that you have at the moment. That's Facebook, Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, Restream.io, and Vimeo. Restream.io, we will have a separate video on tomorrow or next week. So please make sure to, again, hit the bell icon so that you get notified for that. And today we're going to talk about YouTube. So that is the one that we're interested in today. And basically, you can also set the primary or secondary server. I like to keep it on the primary. And the streaming, let's just keep it high. That's fine for now. And this is the key that I'm talking about. This is the passcode or the postal code, so that YouTube knows that you are actually eligible to stream directly to this channel. So this is a secret key. So I will not show you that key, but I will show you where it is right now. So here you have to fill it in, and then next to that you have to press the off button first. Why the off button? We'll talk about that in a minute, but that's really because only then it will be saved in the UI. So that is the reason that I'm doing that. Okay, so that part needs to be prepared. So now the switcher software is ready to get the key. How do you get the key? Well, in order to do that, you need to go to YouTube itself. So what I've done here is that I actually have here my private YouTube channel. Basically, there's no video here, but I don't care. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how you can go live. In order to do that, you have to go on the top right here, then click on Create, then go to Go Live, like there. And once you hit that, it will automatically create this page for you. It will take some time for it to load. But on this page, you can actually enter information like, for example, the title of your video, and the categories, etc. So let's just edit it here. Let's click on edit and then change that from Petra Verbruggen livestream to ATEM test. And here you can testing the ATEM Mini, right? So I say save, and then that part is ready. And then on the right hand side you see stream key. These stars right here, that's where the stream key is. So I just hit copy, and then from there on I will go back to the ATEM software. Once I'm there, I'm gonna go to the key, and then I'm just gonna say paste. But of course, I'm not going to do that with you watching. So I'm just going to say Control V or paste. And then I'm just going to click on the off button. And then I'm going to minimize it so that you're not able to see it. Well, that's the way it goes, right? So believe me that there is a key entered in the live stream right there. So that is now done. So basically now everything is ready to receive my live stream. So what is next? Well, let's make it a little bit more interesting, right? So yes, I can go live directly from here, but that is not really cool because hey, you have just entered it, but you actually want to enter it and then just turn off your computer, go away, turn off your ATEM Mini, go away, go to another location, switch it on, make sure that you're on the Ethernet, and then boom, go live, stream from it. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to make sure that that is possible. So there's one thing that you need to do, and that is the following. This is a very important step. You have to go to File, and then you need to say Save Startup State. Click. By hitting Save Startup State, you actually are saving or copying all of the components of the software to the ATEM Mini into the non-volatile memory, which actually means that if you turn it off, it still remembers what was stated there. So that is a really important thing. So let's do it one more time because this is something that you don't want to forget. File, then say Save Startup State. Boom. That's it. Cut. So now we're here again. Okay, now next up is the following. I actually have here a phone that's actually using an NDI connection, and I want to show you that I'm actually gonna switch off the ATEM Mini so that you can see it's really that I'm really doing it. So I am going here, going to show you the ATEM Mini, like so. Boom. So this is the ATEM Mini, and here you have the switch. So I'm just switching it off, like so, switching it off, going back, it's all switched off, and I'm gonna wait for a few seconds. Why a few seconds? It will take some seconds to make sure that everything is switched off. Also, I'm gonna utilize this time to also switch off this software right here. So now if you look at the screen again, you will see that I can just switch off this, and I can also even switch off this, but I'm not going to do that because I want to see it in a few seconds. But now this is it. So we're now totally done. I have waited for a few seconds for it to really be shut down. And now I'm going to go back with my phone, and I am going to switch it on. So 3, 2, 1, go. And now it's switched on. So now I'm going to wait for a few seconds to really make sure that everything is booted up. And I think that it's roughly the time to show you how to go on air. And that's basically just hitting this button right here. 3, 2, 1, go. And it's switching on. It stays red. So that means that it's actually going to stream. So let's go ahead and show that. Right here, it's going to stream, and there you go. we're streaming live and direct from the ATEM Mini. No computer was used for this, and boom, this is proof of the pudding that it actually works. To switch it off, you have to go back to this ATEM Mini and then click off right there. And then we're done. So you have learned how you can make sure that the configuration of YouTube has been done perfectly. You have seen how you can make sure that that stream key was in the memory of the ATEM Mini so that you can actually switch it off by using that special command. Then you can switch it off, go away, come back, switch it on, and boom, you don't even need a computer. So that is very cool that that's possible, because if you, for example, have a church service and you need to do that with a volunteer that doesn't really know technology, this makes a lot of sense to make it very, very simple for them. So that is one thing that I wanted to talk to you about today. Next time we'll talk about the Restream IO, and that makes it possible to stream to multiple locations at once. So Facebook and YouTube and Twitch and wherever you like to go. So that is the cool thing about Restream.io. Also, once we do that, I also want to show you one more thing, and that's that you can stream to a social media platform, but also at the same time to Teams or Zoom or wherever you have your meetings. So that is really cool, and I hope to see you very, very soon. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to have hey, where is it coming? There you go. Subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for future content. Yes, this is live recorded. Thanks so much. Have a good one. Bye bye.